Hi angels, hi my loves, it's LB Lux Girl back again with another video. So in today's video I have a little unboxing for you guys, or unbagging for you guys. The box is already off. I ordered this item and I just received it in the mail. The seller has lovely information. They put a card on it when they send it to you. I don't know, she put happy birthday on there and it's not my birthday, but it's nice that she did a nice little gift wrap on it. So if that's something that you're interested in, then go ahead and keep on watching. And at the end of the video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. So basically, you guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and start. I have to be very careful because I don't want to damage what's inside, because I don't believe it's in a box. I think it's just in this plastic bubble wrap. So I want to be careful because I don't want to scratch it with the scissors. So I was hoping that since I'm doing it, I had to unwrap it. I figured why not do it on camera so that you guys can keep my company and we can see what I got together. And this isn't anything big. It's probably just a small little beauty item. I've really been into ordering some beauty items for myself lately because every girl needs a little pick-me-up every once in a while. And with everything that's going on right now, it's just, we really all need sometimes a little bit of a pick-me-up. And I try to remember that, as well as trying to uplift others. Sometimes it's good to uplift yourself just to keep yourself motivated and to keep yourself going. So this little item right here, I'm sure is going to put a little smile on my face. And I'm almost at the middle or bottom of it, you guys, where it'll be open. I'm just going to go ahead and rip it so that we could hurry up and get this open. These scissors are not that sharp. I mean, they're cutting, but they're not the sharpest pair of scissors in the house, I guess. Okay, so we're almost there, you guys, almost open. What I like about this company, I've ordered a few things from her online before. Okay, so now I was able to get it out. And what I like about her is she always has everything wrapped so nice, and she sends beauty samples. So she sent some beauty samples. And I really like that, so I'm going to go ahead and check those samples out. And it is a new item. I see where it's sealed right here. I'll go ahead and open that. And just slide it on out. And then I'll take the beauty items out of the plastic later on. More packaging, more wrapping. And you guys can kind of see what it is. You can kind of see what it is through the wrapping. You can kind of see what it is. She really wrapped this really nice. More wrapping paper. More wrapping paper. I'm not even sure how to get to this, and I don't want to just rip it. Okay, I'm looking for the scissors. All right, I'm gonna have to just rip it, you guys, because if not, we'll be here all day. Okay. Again, more wrapping. Again, more wrapping. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry, you guys. I didn't know that it was going to be so much more wrapping each time. Got that one off. And here it is to reveal my lovely new little makeup case, you guys. It's so cute. I really like it. And it's just a makeup beauty bag. It was sold over the counter at the beauty counter. And I just thought it was so cute. So I decided to go ahead and order it. And let me go ahead and open it up so you guys can see. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's just a pouch for makeup. And you can also use it as a little clutch. Okay, wait, hold on. The zipper is very snug. I don't want to catch the material in there. Oh, there it goes. Okay, there we go. And what I liked about it was it has the little snowflake dangles. And I think I saw somebody else on Instagram with one of these, and you could use it as a clutch, or you can use it as a makeup pouch because it's in a nice patent leather. And I really liked it, you guys. So yeah, thank you for sticking it out with me for yet another video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. And I'll see you again soon in another video.